Hello everyone, Shri Jawaharlal Darda Education Societies, Yavatmal Public School welcomes you to the digital world. Welcome to YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Please like and share our videos and subscribe the channel.
Hello everyone, Sandhya ma'am here to tell you something about chemical bond. It's of standard 10th chemical bond. So let's explore more about it. So let's learn about chemical bond. When we talk about the chemical bond, let me tell you that the bond formed between two atoms either by sharing or by transferring electrons is termed as chemical bond. So today we will go in detail about the chemical bond. This is basically classified into two types. First is the electrovalent or ionic bond. When I talk about electrovalent or ionic bond, it is a bond formed by transferring of electrons between metals and non-metals, formed with the help of ions, so we can see that electrovalent or ionic bond, it is formed by transferring of electrons from one atom to another, in which is formed with the help of metals and non-metals with the help of ions. Metals form cations and non-metals form anions. As you all know, metals have the capacity to donate electrons to be stable and non-metals have the capacity to gain electrons to form anions. So let's see about the ionic covalent bond now. Now let's see about the second type of chemical bond, that is covalent bond. It is formed by sharing of electrons between atoms and the second main point, it is between two non-metals. Now let's understand how the covalent bond is formed. As I said you, covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons between two. Let's take an example. Let me tell you that it is again classified into three types: single, double and triple. So when I talk about single covalent bond, that is sharing of one pair of electrons. When I talk about double covalent bond, it is sharing of two pairs of electrons. And when we say that it is triple covalent bond, it is the sharing of three pair of covalent bond. Let's see its example. Suppose I take up hydrogen atom. As you know, it has one electron and another hydrogen with one. They both get shared and completes their duplet, and in this way they form H single bond H, that is the hydrogen molecule. Let's take up the double bond example. We have an oxygen with 6 electrons in the outermost shell. That means it needs 2 to get it shared. So 2 oxygen atoms share their 2 pair of electrons, and in this way they form O double bond O, and the molecule is oxygen. Let's see the triple covalent bond example. Nitrogen, as you know, total 5 electrons in the outermost shell. So they will keep their 3 electrons in the middle, get it shared with both the atom. That means 3 pair of electrons get shared and it forms N triple bond N, and the molecule formed is N2, that is nitrogen molecule. So let's see more about electrovalent bond with the help of examples. The very first example I am taking is the explanation of how the bond is formed between Na2O. So let's see. When I talk about Na, As you all know, its atomic number is 11, configuration is 2n1. It has the ability to lose one electron to form a cation with one positive charge, with the configuration attaining to 8. Now let's talk about oxygen. Oxygen is having the atomic number 8 with the configuration 2,6. That means it has the ability to gain 2 electrons to form O2 minus, that is an anion, with attaining the configuration 2,8. So when such cation and anions are brought together, they form the ion bond between them with Na plus O2 minus. Interchanging their ions, we get the formula as Na2O, that is sodium oxide. Let's understand this with the help of electron transfer. If I say sodium is having 1 electron, oxygen can take 2. So when we talk about oxygen can take 2, we need 2 sodium ion to donate to 1 oxygen atom, because oxygen is having 6 and it needs 2 more, 1 from 1 sodium atom forming Na2O. This is how the electron dot transferring can be shown. Hope that you have got the concept thoroughly of the chemical bond. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel YPS Back to Class. Thank you.